Top 4 birds with the scariest sounds you won't believe. God bless for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Number 1, Kiwi. This tiny bird looks harmless, but listen to this sound. Number 2, Lyrebird. This bird can copy any sound, even chainsaws and human voice. Imagine hearing this in the wild. Number 3, Australian Bustard. This one sounds like a roaring lion. If you hear this at night, you're running. Number 4, Piha Bird. This bird literally sounds like an alarm siren, like the jungle is warning you.